Ever feel like your phone is just a constant source of stress? I challenged ZapAgent to help me out in just 1 hour. Manual WhatsApp sales draining your time? Imagine losing $2K a month because of missed deals. I put ZapAgent's AI to the test. Can it really automate leads? As a 30-year-old coach, I spent 4 hours daily chasing leads. Emails flopped with only a 21% open rate. But ZapAgent connects to WhatsApp and learns your business in minutes. Step 1. Extract verified numbers from a massive database. Step 2. Deploy AI for personalized chats in multiple languages. It qualifies leads, follows up, and even upsells for you. Integrates with Calendly for easy bookings. No per-message fees. Proof? Laid Kenny close 12 deals with it. Sarah automated her sales and hit 12K. This AI is human-like, not stiff like other bots. Act fast. The first 100 get a free agency license. Only $17 one time, no subscriptions, huge savings. But hurry, the price jumps to $497 after launch. Click the link below to automate your sales today. Affiliate disclosure. I may earn a commission at no cost to you.